Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Nagpur, and it is located in Maharashtra. Coming to the jobs, first one, there is job opening available in Persistent Systems. They are looking for senior customer success engineers, and there are 20 vacancies are available for this job position. Coming to the skills requirements, 5 years plus experience with Linux or Unix operating systems, VMware and backup replication, 3 years plus experience in managing enterprise storage arrays, SAN, NAS, DAS and architectures, 2 years plus experience in working in cloud or a hybrid cloud environment, understanding of Oracle or SQL database administration, 3 years plus experience with the TCP or IP networking and troubleshooting tools. And coming to the desired skills, and the candidates must be expert in these skills. Those are Linux, Unix, VMware, SAN backup technologies, communication and troubleshooting skills. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, manage escalations and communication of cases and act as the SME and Tier 3 escalation point for tier backup products and solutions, troubleshoot and resolve escalations for complex heterogeneous environments involving Microsoft, VMware, Linux, storage and cloud environments, perform technical collaboration with their engineering team for further troubleshooting, bug fixes, workarounds and tool development as necessary. Produce detailed technical documentation of the issue, resolution and steps taken to resolve, including details of the customer's environment and any customizations. Develop training materials for the CS team and assist in further development of the team. And coming to the qualifications, BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MS in in computer science or MCA or equivalent degree is okay, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Java specialist is required for the K Cyber Experts Private Limited. And coming to the requirements, experience in web application development, maintenance, enhancement, debugging and bug fixing using core and advanced Java technologies, well versed with designing and development of software applications in technologies such as core Java and advanced Java, collections frameworks, Spring Boot, REST web services, experience in Spring Boot, Hibernate, knowledge of microservices would be advantageous. A versatile and hardworking person possessing excellent analytical communication skills, quick learner, accepting technical and analytical challenges. And these are the requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Perficient. They are looking for Magento developer. Coming to the key responsibilities, develops and maintain effective working relationships with the team members and client, support and proactively contribute the creation and technical solutions for new products, responsible for executing engagements and delivery of a quality work product, drive cross collaboration with the Scrum teams and with product owners, sponsors and 3D party vendors, etc. Coming to the qualifications and requirements, passionate coder with at least 2 to 3 years of working experience with Magento application development, good debugging skills, code flow analysis and the ability to read and modify existing code, working experience with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, experience of implementing W3C standards and best practices, bachelor's degree in computer science, master's in computer applications or equivalent is required. Awareness of modern technologies and software development and practice and patterns. And these are the qualifications requirements. Coming to the requirements, that is additional requirements. Experience on Magento Cloud, Git and Git Flow, digital marketing capabilities of Magento and best practices for customization and implementation, and Magento certification. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Rockstar Social Media is hiring senior PPC analyst. Coming to the responsibilities, create campaign strategy based on objectives and goals, brief team members and contractors for creation of full funnel strategies, review and approve campaign setups, ensure all campaigns are delivered on time, on budget and at the highest performance possible, build upon current channel analytics to track and report performance, including budget tracking and forecasting across various channels. And coming to the requirements, 4 years plus experience in digital marketing agency and 4 years plus experience in running Facebook, LinkedIn and Google Ads. E-commerce and generation is mandatory. Proven track record of generating results, experience creating multi-channel full funnel strategy, very strong experience with paid ads or media buying, strong experience with CRO and nurture strategies, ability to manage and grow a team of specialists. These are the key requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Eros Hyundai is looking for service advisor, and there are 2 vacancies are available for this job role, and experience should be 6 months to 1 year plus, and salary will be as per company norms. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next, there is a job opening available in Varsha Brandwave Private Limited. They are looking for client relationship manager. Coming to the responsibilities, building and maintaining relationships with clients and key personnel, contact clients via calls, emails or meetings to ensure they are satisfied with provided services, escalating and resolving areas of concern as raised by clients, understanding key customer individual needs and addressing those, follow up with clients for annual maintenance contracts, payment collections as per schedule. And coming to the key skills, excellent communication skills in English and Hindi are required, good relationship management and networking skills are required, and pleasing personality with the ability to understand client needs and also execute the same, well versed in MS Office, in Excel or Word or PowerPoint. Coming to the qualifications, the candidates should have any degree and 1 to 3 years of experience should be must, and these are the qualifications. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for customer relationship executive in Multiplex Marine. Coming to the job description, education will be BE or diploma in mechanical will be preferred, and experience will be 2 to 4 years required, and salary depends on the last drawn salary and experience. Coming to the skills required, strong written and verbal communication skills and strong command over the English language is required. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, lead generation and cold calling, compiling inactive customer list along with reasons for not buying and presenting to management, helping in the timely delivery of the product to customers by establishing inter-departmental coordination, collect testimonials and references, handling customer queries and complaint handling, competitor analysis, creating reports as and when required, and updating data in software, and the expected start date is 11th October 2021. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by sharing your resume to the given mail ID provided here, and the guidelines are given here to follow. Coming to the next one, International is hiring for the sales and marketing specialist. Coming to the working profile, order management, online product selling, online brand promotion, e-commercial marketing, digital marketing. And coming to the eligibility criteria, 12th to any degree and post graduation is required, and income will be based on performance during 4 days training period, and it will start according to education and experience. For the 12th, it will be 13,000 plus incentives, and for the UC, that is 15,000 plus incentives. For the graduates, it is 17,000 plus incentives, and for the PC, it will be 20,000 plus incentives, and experienced person will get addition income, and other facilities also given here, and the training is paid, and the charges are 2,000 rupees, and it will include severe training charges and documentation charges and agreement charges. And interested candidates can apply for this job role, and you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening available in Get and Give services. They are looking for business development executive. Coming to the skills, ability to work hard and smart, entrepreneurial mindset, willingness to learn and execute, and the duration will be 3 to 6 months, and shift will be 8 hours full time, field plus office. And coming to the responsibilities, growing the company perimeters by working smartly, calling, onboarding and pitching potential clients, and researching about different sectors and creating pipelines for sales, closing leads, targeting potential business for the B2B vertical, and meeting with local business to maintain relationships, and miscellaneous other tasks. And the stipend will be 2,000 to 5,000 per month, and it is based on performance. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.